Hey guys, welcome to our channel. So tonight I am going to organize my pantry and I thought I'd bring you along with me. I'm going to set the timer for 1 hour and see if I can get the task completed. I do plan on using all of my containers and baskets that I currently have, so hopefully I won't have to go out and purchase any more bins or baskets. So first of all, I'm going to show you the before, and then I'll put some music on, kind of speed it up a little bit, and then you'll be able to see the after. So my pantry is a hot mess. It really needs this done. Okay, I'm going to show you the inside, and that way you'll see the before. Okay, so here's the timer. We're going to start for 1 hour. Here we go. And the first thing I'm going to do is take everything out of the pantry. This way I can see everything that's in there. And here it is, everything that I took out of that pantry. It amazes me every time I do one of these declutter and organization projects, how much stuff you can actually put into a space. And here's the pantry all cleaned out. The only thing that I kept in there was the soup tureen and a couple of those seasoned packets you see there in that little organizer. And then my next step is to wipe everything down. I like to start from the top and work my way down. That way if there's crumbs or anything, then it just kind of falls on the floor or the shelf that you haven't cleaned yet. And I did sweep and wash the baseboards and the floor. And now that everything is out, I can see everything. I'm just going through, looking at expiration dates and see if there's anything that I need to get rid of. I'm also cleaning up all of my bins and Lazy Susans and any containers or jars that may be a little sticky. I'm wiping those down as well. And I had this cereal holder, so I'm taking one of the boxes of cereal out and putting it in that holder. And then as you'll see, I have a Post-it that I wrote down. I'd like to get another one of those cereal holders. Another thing I like to do is put the date of expiration on my canisters just so that I know when I need to discard it. And now it's time to put everything back in its place. And as you can see, I did it under 1 hour. And here's the after. It feels so good to have our pantry organized again. And in all honesty, I only had a few expired items. A lot of it was almost empty packages, boxes, and things not put away where they were supposed to go. I hope you enjoyed this video and that it motivated you to go clean and organize your pantry. If you did enjoy the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you're new, hit that subscribe button. We would love for you to be part of our family here at Yellow Daisy. Until the next video, have a great evening. Bye-bye.